Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Viber notification problems on your device. If you're not receiving notifications from Viber or they're coming through inconsistently, this tutorial will walk you through all the settings you need to check to get everything working properly again. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your device settings. This is where all your system-level permissions are controlled, including notification settings for individual apps. Once you're in settings, look for and tap on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your device and allows you to manage their permissions and behaviors. Next, tap on See All Apps. This option displays a complete list of every application on your phone, making it easier to locate the specific app you need to modify. Now scroll through the list until you find Viber and tap on it. This opens Viber's individual app settings page where you can control everything related to how the app functions on your device. Once you're inside Viber's app settings, tap on Notifications. This is the crucial section that controls whether Viber is allowed to send you notifications at the system level. Here, make sure the All Viber Notifications toggle button is turned on. If this toggle is off, your device will block all notifications from Viber regardless of the settings inside the app itself. So this step is essential for fixing the notification issue. Now that you've enabled system-level notifications, go back to your Viber app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on More. This menu provides access to additional features and settings within Viber. From here, tap on Settings to enter Viber's internal configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. This is where Viber's own notification preferences are managed, separate from your device's system settings. Here, you'll need to make sure all the notification options are enabled. Tap on Show Message Preview to turn it on so you can see message content in your notifications. Then tap on Show Explore Notifications to turn it on as well. Go through all the available notification settings in this section and enable any that are currently turned off. This ensures that Viber has full permission to display notifications for all types of activities within the app. And that's it! You've now configured both your device's system settings and Viber's internal settings to ensure notifications work properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.